To install the latest rollup onto an Actifio appliance, we need to use AGM to go Manage Appliances, right-select the appliance we're interested in, and then do Configure Appliance. This will open up a new web tab that looks very similar to the old Actifio desktop, but it's in a browser. We then go down to System, Software Upgrade, Upload and Install, and choose Upload. The upload option will upload our hotfix, which should be 2482. If you see running pre-flight check, run the pre-flight check anyway. Click that button, wait for the pre-flight check to end, and then hit install. What you might see is that you might get some warnings. The main two things it dislikes are running jobs and mounted images. If you're working on a brand new machine, you shouldn't have either of these. Once the hotfix has been installed, which gives support for rollups, we're now ready to install the rollup. To upload a rollup, we do exactly the same thing. Hit the upload button. Again, on the pre-checks column, hit the run pre-installation checks, even if it appears to be running, and wait for the message to appear. Obviously, we want to get success like we've seen here. If you have a running job, then you should have tried to stop the scheduler. Once we're ready, hit install. One thing to be aware of is that at the top of the panel when it's installing, and you might have to hit the install button twice, but when the install panel comes up, what you'll notice is the installing update hotfix number does not change. You can see here it shows 2479, but if you look in the text, you can see, if I read from bottom to top, 2419, 2470, 2476, and 2471 are all being installed. So don't be don't be surprised if you see that the installing update button number does not change. Take a look at the text in the box to see if it's actually installing more than one hotfix.